Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy process on how to disable camera permission on the Facebook app using your PC, based on the latest update. Whether you're looking for more privacy or just don't want Facebook accessing your camera, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. This could be the desktop version you've downloaded from the Microsoft Store. Make sure it's up to date so the steps work as described. Once the app is open, look towards the upper right corner of the window. You'll see 3 small dots. Click on those. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to the app's settings and controls. From that menu, click on App Info. This will take you directly to the system-level settings for the Facebook app in Windows. Next, choose Settings. You'll now see a list of all the app permissions. Scroll down until you find the camera option. By default, it might be set to Allow or On. Simply click this option and turn the toggle switch off to disable the camera access entirely. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the Facebook app's camera permission on your PC. Now, the app won't be able to use your camera unless you decide to turn the setting back on at a later time. This is a helpful step for anyone who values their privacy and wants to take more control over app permissions. It also ensures that no apps are using your camera without your knowledge. If you found this guide useful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.